Welcome to AG's Kitchen Time. Please subscribe, like and share the video. Today I will make Poori and potato tomato curry. Poori is a deep fried bread made from whole wheat flour that originated in Indian subcontinent. To make puffed and crispy puri, we need wheat flour, rava, milk, salt, oil, and water. Add wheat flour, salt and milk, 1 tablespoon of rava to a mixing bowl. Add a water and begin to mix. More water as you need it. Make a stiff and tight dot. It must not be soft like the roti dot. Spread oil lightly to just smoothen the ball. Cover it for 15 minutes. Begin to roll the puri evenly from the center. Do not roll them too thin or too thick. Heat the oil on medium-high flame. Drop the puri gently. If you spread hot oil on puri, it will be puffed. Fry until crispy and golden. Fry the rest of them as well. See how puri is puffed. Now puri is ready. Let's move to the curry. To make a potato tomato curry, we need 1 potato, make them into 4 pieces. Tomato, onion and green chili, mustard seeds, coriander leaves, masala powder, turmeric powder, oil, salt and water. Add oil to pan. Add mustard seeds. Add a onion and fry it well. Add a chili. Mix them well. Add a tomato. Fry it for 2 minutes. In medium flame. Add a masala powder. One tablespoon. Add turmeric powder 1 tablespoon and salt. Mix them. Add a 1 cup water. Leave it for boil 1 minute. Add a potato. Smash it into mixture. Add a coriander leaf. Add a water and leave it for a boil for 2 minutes. Now curry is ready. So this is puri and curry. You can make it for breakfast or snacks. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share and like the video.